Well, hi there, crafty friends. It's Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and I have another great class kit to go for you guys. This one is using Graphic 45's collection, Make a Splash. And what you're going to be making are some of the most adorable pop-up cards. So first of all, just look at the colors in these cards. I love these blues, the purples. They're absolutely stunning. So great layered cards in this kit. And then whenever you open them up, check out the surprise inside the cards. Every single card is a pop-up card. How fun is this? So these are, first of all, just the card covers themselves. So pretty. But then what a great surprise each card has inside. So fun. And look, I mean, they're decorated, both sides in there. Such pretty cards. So you're going to be getting instructions to make 6 different cards in this class. What all comes in your class kit? You're going to get a pack of the A2 cards and envelopes from Graphic 45 in ivory. You're going to get a pack of the Make a Splash ephemera, and then you're also going to get an entire 8x8 paper pad from the Make a Splash line. Then we're also going to give you access to a Facebook group. And in that Facebook group is where you're going to find your instructions for these kits. So you can see great instructions here. You've got all kinds of detail. You've got pictures of every single card, and then also some great little summary pictures there as well. So the kit, everything you need to make the 6 cards, instructions, access to the Facebook group, that is going to be $31.99. So great value there for that, since with all the full-size product that you're going to be getting as well. Will you have extras? Yes, you will. You will have extras to where you can, use it on other projects or even continue on, add your own card bases, and then you can make some of your own cards as well. So what a fun little class. In the comments, we will put the shopping link so you can order this online as well. If you love the colors of this and kind of the feel of that mermaid and sea look, we also have a mini book as well that we have put together using this line. All of these were put together by one of our great customers and our friend Becky. So Becky, thank you so much for putting these together for us. They are absolutely beautiful. Now, one thing it does mention in the supply list is that you need a lilac hybrid ink from Graphic 45. We do have one of those, but I also felt that sugared lavender from Catherine Pooler worked well, as well as the lilac. You're going to be using those inks on the inside of the cards. So if you don't have that specific color with Graphic 45, we do have one of them available. And then also check your stash for your Catherine Poolers, because again, I thought sugared lavender looked great, and so does lilac. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for checking out our quick little video here of our little walkthrough of our pop-up cards using the Make a Splash line from Graphic 45. Again, we've got class kits to go available here in the store, and you can also order them online. You can check us out online at www.thedoodlebuginc.com, and then just search for Make a Splash pop-up cards, and you should be able to see those kits right there. Again, thank you so much, and you guys have a very crafty and blessed day.